Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of x plus 4 plus square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 square root of x minus 1 to find the values of x. In the first step, we square both sides of this equation. So, square root of x plus 4 plus square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 square root of x minus 1, and this side to the power of 2 and this side to the power of 2, and it will be this to the power of 2, this square root will cancel, so it will be x plus 4, and this to the power of 2, this square root it will be cancelled and it will be 2x minus 1 and plus 2 times this, so square root of x plus 4 times square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to this to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 it will be 9, and times this to the power of 2, this square root will cancel and it will be x minus 1, so it will be 9 times x minus 1. And it will be x plus 2x, it will be 3x, and 4 minus 1, it will be 3, and plus 2 times, we can write this square root times this square root as square root of x plus 4 times 2x minus 1. Is equal to 9 times x, it will be 9x, and times negative 1, it will be negative 9. And it will be, in here we have 3x plus 3 plus 2 times the square root of, in here x times 2x, it will be 2x squared, 2x squared, and x times negative 1, it will be negative x, 4 times 2x, it will be 8x, and 4 times negative 1, it will be negative 4, is equal to 9x minus 9. In next step, we take this and this to this side, and it will be 2 times the square root of 2x squared negative x plus 8x, it will be 7x, and minus 4 is equal to 9x minus 9, and this to this side it will be negative 3x, and this to this side it will be negative 3, and it will be 2 square root of 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 9x minus 3x, it will be 6x, and negative 9 minus 3, it will be negative 12. And next step, we divide both sides of this equation by 2. So this divided by 2, it will be the square root of 2x squared plus 7x minus 4, right? These two will cancel. And this divided by 2, it will be 3x minus 6. And next step, we square both sides of this equation. So this to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2. In here, this square root will cancel and it will be 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 3x to the power of 2, it will be 9x squared, and 6 to the power of 2, it will be positive 36, and minus 2 times this, 2 times 3x times 6, and it will be 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 9x squared plus 36, and in here negative 2 times 3x, it will be 6x, negative 6x, and times 6, it will be negative 36x. And next step, we take this 3 part to this side, and it will be 9x squared minus these 2x squared, it will be 7x squared, and negative 36x minus this 7x, right? This to this side will be negative 7x. So negative 36x minus this 7x, it will be negative 43x, and this to this side will be positive 4, and 36 plus this 4, it will be 40, and this is equal to 0. And next step, we can write this negative 43x as negative 35x minus 8x, right? Negative 35x minus 8x, it will be negative 43x. And in next step, we take this and these together, so we write 7x squared minus 8x, and these and these together, this and this together, and it will be negative 35x and plus 40 is equal to 0. And next step, from these two parts, we factor x, and it will be this divided by x, it will be 7x, and this divided by x, it will be negative 8. And for these two parts, we factor negative 5. So factor negative 5, and this divided by negative 5, it will be 7x, and this divided by negative 5, it will be negative 8, and is equal to 0. And here, 7x minus 8 is common, and we factor 7x minus 8. So for this part, we have x, and for this part, we have negative 5 is equal to 0. And from here, we have two solutions for x. 7x minus 8 is equal to 0, and x minus 5 is equal to 0. In here, we take this 8 to this side, and it will be 7x is equal to 8, and we divide both sides of this equation by 7, and it will be x is equal to 8 over 7. And here, x is equal to 5. So we have two values for x, and in next step, we check our answer to our problem, that was square root of x plus 4 plus square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 square root of x minus 1. So we write in here square root of x plus 4 plus square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 square root of x minus 1. So we check our answer. In the first, x is equal to 8 over 7. So write x is equal to 8 over 7. And in here, it will be square root of x is 8 over 7. So 8 over 7 plus 4 and plus 2 times x over 7, it will be 16 over 7 minus 1 is equal to 3 square root of x 8 over 7 minus 1. So in here, we take common denominator. For denominator, choose 7 is 7, and in here we have 8, and 4 times 7, it will be 28, and plus, for this fraction, we take common denominator. 7, and it will be 16 minus 1 times 7, it will be 7, is equal to 3 square root of common denominator 7 and 8 minus 1 times 7, it will be 7. So in here it will be 8 plus 28, it will be 36 over 7, and plus square root of 16 minus 7, it will be 9 over 7, and is equal to 3 square root of 8 minus 7 is 1 over 7. And from here, we write in here, a square root of 36 over 7, we can write a square root of 36 over a square root of 7, right? And in here, a square root of 36 is 6 and over a square root of 7, right? So in here, a square root of 36, it will be 6 over a square root of 7, right? And here we can write this as a square root of 9 over a square root of 7. And a square root of 9 is 3 and over a square root of 7. And in here we can write this a square root of 1 over a square root of 7. And a square root of 1 is 1, and times this 3, it will be 3 over a square root of 7. And next step, we can multiply both sides of this equation by a square root of 7, and in here it will be 6 plus 3 is equal to 3, right? And it will be 9 is equal to 3. And from here, 9 is not equal to 3, and we reject this answer. So we reject this x is equal to 8 over 7. So this answer is rejected. And we check x is equal to 5. So in here we have a square root of x plus 4. So it will be a square root of x is 5, so it will be 9, and a square root of 2x minus 1, and x is 5, so it will be 2 times 5 is 10, and minus 1, it will be 9. So square root of 9 is equal to 3 times the square root of x minus 1, right? In here, x minus 1, and x is 5, so it will be 5 minus 1, it will be 4. And here, the square root of 9 is 3, and plus this 3 is equal to 3 times 2. And in here, 3 plus 3 is 6 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So this is correct. And this is our answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.